Hello guys, how's it going? Today we're going to talk about the viewports in AutoCAD, how to produce our drawing and share it as a PDF files. Let's get it like step by steps. Uh, we actually got AutoCAD file right here. It is some drawing for some area in Oman. It is plots. This is green area. This is like land development area. We would like to like put it in viewport so that we can like share it as a PDF file. The first thing we need to go to the layout. This is default setup. You're gonna find it. This is viewport that it's already like get it here in the program. If you like hit here, you're gonna get another one. It is similar thing. How we like deal with this viewport? This is the viewport. It is a window where you can see through it to the model tab. This is model tab. This is like a window. In order to active this window, you have to hit double click. Then you're gonna log into this window. This is the window that we have in the model. We have one window right here. We can like zoom in and zoom out. It's up to you guys. I would like to show you how to add like more than one viewport in the same viewport here. Like for example, I would like to make another viewport here, so that I'm gonna like reference the bigger one. Since I already got this viewport, I can draw whatever I can here. Like I want to draw like a circle here. It is a circle here. Then I'm gonna draw like a rectangle here. I'm gonna deactivate the snapping. This is rectangle one. I would like to show parts of this area in this viewport and this view and turn this like geometry shapes to the viewports. All what I need to go just going to the layout, then going to the like this one using object. I'm gonna hit here, then enter to repeat the going to the object again, then going to the enter here. Now we got three viewpoints. This is the bigger viewpoint. This is particular viewpoint. This is inside point viewpoint. Now I'm here. I'm in out. Right now I'm out. I can zoom in and zoom out like as I would like. Now I would like to work on this viewport. So the way to do that, I'm going inside here, double click. I get it here. It is bold. That means you're working here in this viewport. I would like to show just part of this viewport, which is this part. I'm gonna just make it in the big so that it would be like clear. Then in order to just get out here, I hit double click outside. Now I get the first viewport. I would like to work on this viewport. I would like just double click, then it turns to the bold. Now that's mean I'm working in this places. I would like to zoom in to the another one, this plot. Sounds great. I'm hitting twice outside here. Now, sometimes if you have like more than one viewports, it is difficult. Like if you hit right here, it would be working inside here. If you would like to transit from one viewport to another, just use Control and R. It would be like shifted to another viewport. Now it's shifted to this viewport. Again, Control R, it's going to another one. Control R, it's going to another one. Now, so we working in this area. The second thing, I would like to turn this like it is layer 0, it is layer 0. I would like to put both these viewports in a layer where I can just put it in another colors. Here we go. Put it in another colors. So I put it in another colors. Now we got more than one viewports. If we would like to just print it out, I'm going to the printout here, continue plot single, then going to the PDF. Drawing to the PDF, I'm gonna choose A4. This is ISO A4. I'm gonna preview. So it's going to be look like this. I would like to set it to fit in our viewports. So I'm going to the A4 preview. So now I got full one. If I would like to print it out, just going to the desktop YouTube file, then Nahal one. Okay. I just got this wonderful PDF. The second thing I would like to show you right here, how to get another viewports template. It is from AutoCAD. Anyone can log into this templates. Actually, going to this plus share, going right click, then from template, just choose A4. I would like to choose this one, open, just hit it, okay, then I get my template. In order to activate, just double click inside, then double click on this mouse wheel so that I get this one. If I would like to repeat the process right here, I can do it easily. I can get two rectangle right here. Then I'm going to the layout. From object, I'm choosing this one, then again object, choosing this one. I got different one. If I double click in it, I can show this one. Then if I double click here, then I can show another one. Double click outside. I can actually hit double click on the mouse wheel, double click, you get this one for. Then same process, go to the printout. The same process actually, going to the PDF. In this way, I would like to choose monochrome. I would like to put it in black. Then I would get similar to this one. If I print it out, then it's going to here, monochrome, the black lines. So it is just important topics about viewports and how to produce your PDF files by the AutoCAD files. See you. Thanks.